AJ, I am so lucky I met you and so excited to be marrying you today. You are my perfect partner. I love you so much. We've shared so many special years together and I can't wait to spend more with you, experiencing the good and being there for you during the tough times. You are an amazing man inside and out, and I am so proud of you every day. I look forward to continuing our lives together and can't wait to meet you at the end of the aisle soon. Love, your soon-to-be wife, Mandy.
Mandy, it's finally here. Though to me, it's felt like we've been married since day one. I can't wait to start this next journey together. Each and every day, I'm finding more things I love about you. From your sense of humor to your thoughtfulness, we are the perfect complement to each other. You've helped me learn what it truly means to love somebody. You've taught me that it's okay not to be okay. And you're there for me every step of the way and supporting me in everything I do. I am so excited to experience life with you. And my only regret is that I didn't get to meet you sooner. I love you with my entire heart, and I'm amazed and honored that I'll get to call you my wife.
Andrew, age, you are my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. You are genuine, calm, loving, thoughtful, and have the best sense of humor, among other amazing qualities. The list goes on. I truly did find myself when I found you. I found a better version of me, and I am lucky because you've helped me learn how to pause, reflect on, and appreciate the important things which I may have never done if I never met you. I promise to be present in every moment with you, to always support you when times get tough, and to make sure I have Domino's on speed dial to order you your deep dish pepperoni pizza with extra cheese and cheesy bread with blue cheese dressing on the side when times get especially tough. I also promise to show you how in love with you I am and to keep finding new adventures for us. It's beyond as long as we both shall live, because you're my soulmate, and I promise to love you with all of my heart. I love you more than ever.
Mandy, from the day we matched on Tinder over a quote from Dumb and Dumber, even though it had come out 20 years prior, I knew that you and I had a connection. I'm so lucky you agreed to have our first date, and you introduced me that night to your favorite bartender in Hoboken, which to me is as important as meeting someone's parents. We're the perfect complement to each other. I always said I'd never have a puppy or a house, and now we have both of those things. But I couldn't imagine my life any other way. You support me through everything I do, and you bring out the best in me, making me a better person each and every day. You're the most thoughtful person I've ever met. You're constantly thinking of others and will drop everything for them. Everything you do shows me how much you love me, and it makes me love you even more every single day. I can't wait to see what's next for us, and I can't wait to see it with you. I love you.
And now, by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in Modesto, California, it is my honor and delight to declare you married. Go forth and live each day to your fullest. You may now kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Andrew and Amanda Gogola.
Amanda and Andrew, I've seen the respect you have for each other. I have seen you approach stressful situations with calmness, usually accompanied by a sense of humor. I have seen the way that you both support each other and lift one another up. And probably most importantly, I have seen you laugh together. That sense of joy is infectious, and it warms my heart. As a father, I can't give you any advice because you already check all the boxes for a long and happy marriage.
AJ and I met when we were sophomores in college. AJ's, I think of as a guy, he gets along with anyone, he fits in anywhere. Back then, I just remember AJ coming back to the suite and drinking and thinking, yeah, this is gonna work, It was that simple back then. But like all good things, those college days came to an end. And thus began that short period of time that was after college, but before Mandy. No matter where he was, no matter who he was with, AJ was always having a good time. But increasingly, back then, where he was Hoboken. And who he was with was Mandy. Eventually, AJ convinced Mandy to come back across the Hudson River, come through Manhattan, across the East River to Queens, just to hang out with the likes of us. And within a few hours, I found myself once again thinking, yeah, this is gonna work.
She called me early on and without hesitation told me that's it, he's the one I'm gonna marry. And she had never told me this before, so I was like, gotta meet him today, now. And my first thought when I did, honestly, was, why did I spend so long wondering? I should have pictured someone just like AJ, who is not thrown off by a beautiful girl who likes to make jokes left and right.
As I'm sure all of you have come to realize on your own, Amanda is one of the kindest, most loyal, and funniest people that you could ever meet. I think something that everyone in this room has had the pleasure of experiencing is Amanda's laugh. It's explosive, it's unapologetic, at times it's inappropriate, and like pretty much everything the last 60 months, it's infectious. So of course, it is such a blessing that she met Andrew, my new brother. Andrew is without a doubt one of the funniest people I have ever met. He's also one of the friendliest people I have ever met. Mandy and AJ are indeed perfect for each other because they love each other, respect each other, and because they fill their house with laughter.
Mandy, I can't say enough great things about you. You're sweet, genuine, always down for a good time. You've got a great sense of humor, and just like AJ, I love to be around you too. Believe it or not, I knew very, very early on into this relationship that you two would get married. I mean, at this point, when me and AJ were living together, we were in Astoria. AJ had just started talking to Mandy through Tinder, as all of you know, and I was just like, there's no way this is gonna last. I thought I needed to put her to the test right away, and I convinced AJ that we should send her a selfie of us in our bathrobes. You know what? They set up that first date right then and there. That was the exact moment that I knew this was like a legitimate thing, and Mandy was like the perfect match for you. Continue to love each other, laugh nonstop, and most importantly, stay weird.